In this video, I will show you how to hide your Steam games. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. I'll be using the Steam app, but the steps are the same if you prefer to use the web-based version of Steam. The first thing you're going to want to do is come across to your games library. So if you come up to the top and click onto library, and it's going to show all your games in your games library. To go ahead and hide your Steam games, all you need to do is locate the game that you want to hide. So for example, let's go ahead and hide Terraria. What you're going to want to do is find it in the games list on the left hand side and then right click to bring up this menu. Then what you want to do is come and hover over manage and you're going to see some further options come up. You can see there's one called hide this game. So if you actually go ahead, give that a click, what that's going to do is actually hide this game from our games library. To go ahead and see your hidden games, all you need to do is come up to the top and click onto view next to Steam, just up here. And in here on this menu, you're going to see hidden games. So if you give that a click, it's going to take you across to your hidden games. As you can see, here is Terraria. And if you want to unhide this game or any game at any point, just simply right click onto the game, come back down to manage. And as you can see, there's an option to remove from hidden. So just give that a click and then come back up to the top, click onto view and then library. And you'll see that's now been added back into our library. So that's how to hide your Steam games. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.